Welcome back, folks, to another POV behind the scenes. This time we're back in Thailand in our villa, and I'm shooting the most tatted model I have ever shot. As you can already tell, I don't really shoot many models with tattoos really at all. Maybe the odd tattoo here and there, but from head to toe, definitely not. And it was such a great experience as well, such a different vibe, but I still brought my flavor into this shoot with this model. And that just goes to show that you can shoot different variations of models, that maybe you're used to shooting this type of model or that type of model, but for me, I never really shoot models with tattoos, and I still made it my style. That you can look at the edits, you can look at the pictures, and you can still see that these are my photos. So that's just going into my previous videos where I talk about having your own brand and your own style and models wanting to work with you, and you're not just being a glorified button pusher and you could be replaced by anybody. This model loved my work and loved the way I edit, and I can implement that with anybody. So having a strong style and vibe is definitely great, because you don't want to be a copycat. You just don't want to just be replicating someone else's work. That's not gonna get you. It's not gonna get you quality models. It's not gonna get you great models. It's not gonna produce great photos either. So this video, I'm just showing you a bit of behind the scenes, some real POV, uncut and raw, which is what I feel like you guys have liked from my previous couple videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. But don't forget, we are going back to this location. It's going to be bigger and better. You can even check the site right now. There's some amazing models already coming. You do not want to miss this one. Go to thecollectivetravel.com and check it out.
Try not to break my neck. Any silly poses?
A little side note as well for how I kind of get my shots is I like to tell a model to do something, or move the leg, or adjust this and that, or turn towards me, and that's when I'm actually snapping the pictures, because then it gets that candid look where they're looking down, or where they're adjusting themselves, adjusting the bikini, just like right here. That's when I'm taking the pictures. Those little things is what makes a nice carousel pose of a nice candid shot. I'm not actually focusing too much on when they've finished and posing, but it's the candid shots that's what I'm looking to get. No, it's good.
I love her hair colour too. Well, maybe I should do lying down, but then you'll have to move. Or unless I like lying on that bit, I don't know.
Excuse me.
You tell me.
Let's not fall in with my camera. Nice. Do one as if you're turning out and like pushing up.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Nice. Banging. Nice. Hold that, hold that. Fire. Yeah, nice. Yeah, get this last few in this. Nice. Hey, keep doing the bunda pose. There you go.
Sorry, I was losing my balance.
It's cool.
Now
these shots here were some of my favorite of this shoot. The light was kind of coming down, it was much softer, and yeah, the portraits, again with her such a unique look, these were some of my favorite. Again, when I'm traveling, this 24-70 is so handy. As you can tell, my biceps are glistening. That is not because I am oiled up. I'm not diddy oiled up. That's just sweat. Like, it's so hot. So having to rummage around and change lenses and go back and forth to your gear all the time becomes a bit of a headache. So having that 24-7, you can just get that range, that nice 2.8. And again, you don't really, unless you're looking for that really isolated look, like purposely, I think 2.8 is good enough because you get that nice separation, but you can also see what's around you. You definitely don't want to go to Thailand and just get really tight telephoto images.
Just, careful there, look. It must still be rotten. Yeah.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah, if you see any caterpillars near me, let me know, yeah? Or any snakes.
So, excuse me? Say snakes.
Is there any snakes or caterpillars?
There's snakes in here, are there?
Have you not seen one yet?
No. It's another note not to leave the doors open, Kiefer.
Yeah, I found one on my balcony once.
You're doing it.
I don't know. What's over there?
No clue.
I'm being fucking eaten.